Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting what Microsoft will ask for: the exact account email, recent sign-in dates, and the devices you used. Once done, check your email, including spam, for the suspension notice so you know the stated reason. Make sure you have proof like subscription receipts or payment records ready. This speeds verification. Now open the Microsoft account support page and sign in if possible, because initiating the appeal from your account ties your request to the suspended profile immediately. Next, complete the appeal form precisely. Describe when the suspension occurred, what you were doing, and include a concise timeline. Attach evidence, screenshots of activity, payment receipts, and if possible IP or device logs to show legitimate use. Explain changes you made, such as removing shared access or securing passwords, because Microsoft evaluates both cause and corrective action. Once submitted, note the support case number and check messages. Consistent, factual updates improve the chance of a favorable review. Finish by monitoring your support case and replying quickly to any follow-up questions to avoid delays. If Microsoft restores the account, verify points balance and change passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and review recovery contacts so this doesn't recur. If the appeal is denied, request the exact suspension reason and escalate through chat or an official support escalation channel. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit a dead end, gather a concise evidence packet and ask for a supervisor review. Clear, organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.